Don't know.
My name is Tulsi Kumari. I'm from BTech third year. This is the smart home that I have designed. There are total 7 features implemented in this. We will go one by one to each feature. So first feature is the smart intruder alarm system. Whenever will be a motion around the PIR sensor, you will get a call on your phone saying that there is some intruder inside your house. So you will get a call in 2 or 3 seconds. As you can see, we'll get a call. So this was our first feature. Now moving on to our second feature, which is the password door lock system. You will put a password, you can see it on the LCD screen, and then the door will open. Enter password, it's asking for password. The password is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The door opened. And now it will wait for some time and then the door will close automatically.
Again you give password.
Again I will give password 1, 2, 3 and 4. The door opened. Showing door is open. Waiting for some time, 5 seconds, and then it will close the door automatically. So now coming on to our third feature, which is temperature and humidity sensor. It will tell the temperature inside your room and the humidity inside your room on that 20x4 LCD which is there. And on the same Arduino, I have implemented one more feature, that is heart pulse rate sensor. It will show your pulse rate in BPM on the same LCD screen on the last 2 rows. The temperature and humidity will be shown on the first 2 rows of the 20x4 LCD. Now coming on to our fourth feature, which is gas and smoke sensing. Whenever there is an LPG leakage in your home, that sensor will detect it and that LED light will glow there and then the buzzer will start making sound. You can see. Sir, that I cannot do. Jagah nahi hai sir, wo jayega nahi. That will start making sound and then you can see the level of your gas detected on this LCD screen. Now last feature, this is plant watering system. This is the soil sensor. You can place it in the backyard of your home. And this is the water pump, which will take water from the water source, whatever you have kept. And you can access it through the phone on the Blink IoT app. I'll show that. It's showing offline because I have not connected it, and it is showing the last value which was measured on it. This is the moisture value you can see. You just have to switch it on and off and the motor will start pulling water from the source and it will start watering the plants. And this is the last feature. This is ultrasonic sensor. It will measure the distance of any object or any person which standing outside your house, and it will again show it on your Blink app. You can access it through the Blink app. You can see distance measurement. When I'll connect it to it, it will show the distance in front of it.